Ladies and gentlemen, from the south, the SAA formation, accompanied by the South African Air Force Silver Falcon aerobatic display team. The captain of the lead aircraft is Captain Andre Steenkamp. Captain Mark Dethium is his co-pilot, with First Officer Mondi Goyia as the first officer in the lead aircraft. The second aircraft is flown by Captain Pierre Gous, Captain Vusi Kumalo, and Flight First Officer Henny Bardenos. Ladies and gentlemen, SAA and Falcons. The 6 cockpit crew members have amassed over 110,000 flying hours between the 6 of them. The Airbus A340-600 is the second largest aircraft in the Airbus range of aircraft and the largest passenger aircraft in the South African Air Force fleet. This aircraft is capable of carrying 317 passengers with a crew complement of 14. The aircraft cruises at 880 kilometers per hour. It can travel a distance of 14,000 kilometers. And when fully fueled, the Airbus A340 takes 195,000 liters of fuel. The 3 crew members who previously served in the South African Air Force, Captain Steenkamp was previously an Air Force helicopter pilot. Captain Pierre Gous was an Air Force transport pilot. And First Officer Mondi Goyia was a first officer at the VVIP Squadron, 21 Squadron. Ladies and gentlemen, the SAA formation.